I'm Dr. Bharat Rajumar. I'm a neurologist. Being a neurologist, I have to all majority of the cases which come to me belong to the pain category, all the headaches, back pain, and all the neuropathies. So that was the reason why I mainly attended the classes. So initially we had a lecture session for nearly the course was for 6 months, and towards the end we had that program. So in the lecture sessions, all the classes were explained very nicely, and with all the real-time videos, with all the views, and with all weekly exams and intermittent part evaluation tests. So initially the team had ensured that our theoretical part would be relatively strong, and after that we attended 4 contact classes in centers, 2 different centers. So there initially a brief summary of all the classes were given, followed by the demonstration of all the fluoroscopy procedures, majority of all the transominal and all the lumbar procedures of the cases what we experienced daily. And after that we had a session on ultrasound, and followed which we had hands-on, that we were given the probe and we had the hands-on for both fluoroscopy and for the ultrasound procedures. So we could identify all the structures, then the procedures explained how all the medications were given through the procedures and how the follow-up has to be done. And the classes were in a very structured manner, and all the sessions were covered relatively and precisely and brief and also in detail. So what I would advise is all the physicians and all the clinicians and all the specialities who are dealing with pain, because when we are going outside, what we are going to, or when we are working outside, what we experience, majority 80 to 70 to 80% patients are going to come with pain. So I would definitely recommend all of you to attend the classes, and definitely go for the contact section also, because classes only will help just brush up your theory part, but to have a hands-on, to have a feel of how the things have been done, you should definitely attend the contact program also. So thanks once more Asian Pain Academy for giving a very fruitful classes with the sessions. Thank you.